Okay, going to do another video here with the Tomoquads Whoopee. Here's a little conversion kit. I originally put the Beta 75X parts in here, and actually the motors are still in here. But as you remember from that video, it was kind of, shaky and kind of vibrating more. And I noticed that as I was flying the Beta 75X around from the original Cinewhoop conversion, the shakiness was getting worse and worse. And I discovered that was probably going on as I was getting a failing ESC because right after I made that video, when I went to fly it the next time, I got some sort of magic smoke from one of the ESCs and one of the motors wouldn't turn anymore. So I decided to just swap in the Mobula7 board. So as you know, the Beta 75X is like a 2-board system and actually a video transmitter, so 3 boards. It was like flight controller, 4-in-1 ESC, and a video transmitter. And now I just have the, and also receiver as well, the XM Plus receiver. Forgot about that. So a lot more components, and now I just have the Mobula7 board, which is an all-in-one flight controller, F3, not F4. 4-in-1 ESC is on there, as well as a receiver. So it's a FreeSky SPI receiver, 4-in-1 ESC, and F3 flight controller. And I think I'm saving quite a bit of weight now, and then I'm using the HGLRC Nano VTX. And so I went from about 62 grams, now I'm down to I think about 56 grams, so definitely lost some weight. But I'm going to use the two 1S connectors here and use these Beta FPV 300 milliamp hour lipos on top. And probably, well, I'm not sure what that's going to mean for the flight time. Might be a little shorter, I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. But yeah. Some people would ask me, what about using the Beta 70 or the Mobula7 board, and this is basically that setup. Obviously, you could probably swap this connector out and use an XT30 and an actual 2S battery if you want to do that. But I figure if someone's doing a Mobula7 conversion, they can try it with 2 lipos like this. Now, if you do a Mobula7 conversion, don't get the Racon Heli ducts. These don't work with those motors. That doesn't fit. Just want to let you know that it does work with the Beta 75X motor. Any 1103 motor should work. The ones without the ones with the screw holes, that should fit the Racon Heli ducts. But if you get the other version, the plastic duct version, that one's also for this motor as well. So you'll need to get I think you'll need to get that version and then get the ducts from your Mobula7 and cut them off and then put them on like this. So I think that's how you would do that conversion. I don't have that one, so I'm not 100% sure on that one. So, but if you guys are wondering, that's probably what you're going to have to do. Anyway, just wanted to show you what this flies like now. Hopefully it flies better with actually properly working ESC, so I guess we'll see.